Today, a lot of us think what we see here and there, that is success. Brothers and sisters, a lot of these things that we do in this world, yes, our job is not success. Our career is not success. Our house is not success. Our whatever is not success. It may be necessities in this world. Remember, zururiyat. It may be necessities, but it's not the purpose of life, and it is not the success of life. We got to understand priority, protocol, like eating, yeah? We eat to live, don't we? We eat to live. So eating is a necessity of life. Having a wife is a necessity of life. Having a business is a necessity in life. Having a job is a necessity in life. Having a career is a necessity in life. Having money is a necessity in life. Having wealth is a necessity in life. Necessity, not the purpose of life. Eating is a necessity of life, isn't it? Sleeping is a necessity of life. But you don't live to eat. Do you live to eat? Eating, we eat to live. The famous saying, we eat to live, we don't live to eat. Because eating is not the purpose of life. Ye zindagi ka maqsad nahi hai. It's not the purpose of life. We sleep to continue being healthy. Because Allah has ordered sleeping and eating and earning and seeking and earning your career and marriage. And yes, Allah has ordained these things. Allah has ordained these things. They are necessities in life. But they are not the objective of life. They are not the purpose of life. We don't live to sleep. Do we live to sleep? Well, some people sleep a lot, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I like to pick on you, Brother Azad, but now you're retired. I wonder if you sleep a lot. You don't sleep? All right. Some people, that's all they do, eat and sleep. As though the purpose of life is eating and sleeping. Do you know if you overeat, you know what the hadith says? That the gut, the stomach, is the headquarters of all sicknesses. You know, when you sleep too much, you kill your brain. The brain dies, the functioning and effectiveness and the alertness of the brain, it slows down. Too much of sleep is not even good for it. It's not good for it. Not even. It's not good for the brain. You need that 7-8 hours sleep for the day. Not more than that. Otherwise, you become slow in thinking, slow in being alert. So it's a necessity, but it's not the purpose. What is the purpose Allah is saying here? To be Allah inna awliya Allah. Be the friend of Allah. You know, like how some people like to be the friend of politicians, thinking that when you're the friend of the politician, you will be successful. That will only be when he is in power. And if he wants to be your friend. Samajh kya? Allah is saying that when you be the friend of Allah. How do you be the friend of Allah? By doing our duty to Allah.